Hi guys, welcome. You have already seen in the thumbnail what we will be discussing in this video. So without wasting any time, let's install some Python modules before we start coding in VS Code. The first module is QR code. So type pip install QR code into the terminal and then press enter. Next, do the same for the tkinter module. Now let's write the program from scratch with the power of video editing. Now, open Google Chrome. Search for the location of Patal Pani. Click on the maps and wait for a second to load the map. Here is the shareable link to this place. Just copy it for now. Let's execute the program we wrote. If you have not, you can check it out from my GitHub repository. If you want to create your own QR code without writing any code, then follow me on Twitter and get your own QR code anytime by messaging me. Now run the code using VS Code shortcut key and wait for a moment. After the code executes, you will see the user interface for generating the QR code. Now, paste the Patal Pani location link here. Then enter the location to save the QR code. Finally, enter the name of the QR code. And the last, remember the size of QR code should always be 10. Now click on generate and your code will be saved in the provided location. Take your smartphones and scan this QR code to check it if it's work or not. If it works, please leave a comment below saying yes, it works. There you have it. So stay tuned because in the upcoming videos we will be diving deeper into how we can generate images like this by writing a correct prompt. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and share it in your friends and family's WhatsApp group. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.